Continuous integration and continuous deployment, cicd, are essential practices in modern software development, enabling teams to build, test, and deploy applications efficiently. Interviews for cicd roles assess your understanding of these practices, knowledge of tools and pipelines, problem-solving abilities, and collaboration skills with development and operations teams. Employers look for candidates who can implement and manage cicd pipelines effectively, ensuring faster delivery cycles and higher software quality. In this video, we will explore common cicd interview questions, along with sample answers and practical tips. This guide will help candidates demonstrate their expertise in automation, pipeline management, testing, and deployment strategies while showcasing problem-solving and communication skills. The role of a cicd professional. A cicd professional is responsible for designing, implementing, and maintaining automated pipelines for software development, testing, and deployment. They collaborate with developers, QA engineers, and operations teams to ensure seamless integration and continuous delivery of code. Organizations seek candidates who understand automation tools, scripting, version control, testing frameworks, and deployment strategies. Preparing structured answers with practical examples demonstrates your readiness for this role. Question 1. Can you explain what cicd is? Here's how you can answer. cicd stands for Continuous Integration and Continuous Deployment. Continuous integration involves frequently merging code changes into a shared repository, where automated builds and tests verify the changes. Continuous deployment automates the release process, ensuring that verified changes are deployed to production seamlessly. Together, cicd enables faster development cycles, early bug detection, and reliable software delivery. Tip: demonstrate clear understanding of both C and CD, emphasizing benefits to the development process. Question 2. Which cicd tools have you worked with? Here's how you can answer. I have worked with Jenkins, GitLab C, Circle CI, and Azure DevOps. I have experience setting up pipelines, automating builds, integrating unit and integration tests, and deploying applications to staging and production environments. I choose tools based on project requirements and the technology stack. Tip: highlight hands-on experience and familiarity with multiple tools. Question 3. How do you ensure the reliability of a cicd pipeline? Here's how you can answer. I ensure reliability by implementing automated testing at multiple stages, monitoring build failures, and maintaining version control standards. I also include rollback mechanisms and notifications for failures. Regular reviews and updates of the pipeline help maintain its stability and efficiency over time. Tip: emphasize testing, monitoring, and proactive maintenance practices. Question 4. How do you handle pipeline failures? Here's how you can answer. When a pipeline fails, I first analyze logs and error messages to identify the root cause. I communicate with developers if the issue is code-related or adjust pipeline configurations if necessary. After resolving the problem, I document the solution and implement preventive measures to reduce future failures. Tip: show problem-solving, analytical skills, and communication with the team. Question 5. How do you integrate automated testing into cicd pipelines? Here's how you can answer. I integrate automated testing by adding unit, integration, and regression tests into the pipeline stages. I ensure tests run automatically with each code commit or pull request. Test results are reported immediately, allowing the team to address failures quickly. This approach ensures code quality and reduces the risk of introducing bugs into production. Tip: highlight knowledge of testing types, automation, and pipeline integration. Question 6. Can you explain blue-green and canary deployments? Here's how you can answer. Blue-green deployment involves running two identical production environments. The new version is deployed to the inactive environment, tested, and then traffic is switched over, reducing downtime. Canary deployment releases updates to a small subset of users first, monitoring for issues before full rollout. Both strategies minimize risks during deployment and ensure stability for end users. Tip: demonstrate understanding of deployment strategies and risk mitigation. Question 7. How do you manage version control in a cicd environment? Here's how you can answer. I manage version control using Git, following branching strategies such as Git flow or feature branching. I ensure consistent commit practices, code reviews, and pull request approvals. Version control integration with the cicd pipeline allows automated builds and tests for every merge, maintaining code quality and traceability. Tip: emphasize structured version control practices and their role in cicd. Question 8. How do you handle environment-specific configurations in cicd pipelines? Here's how you can answer. I handle environment-specific configurations using parameterized builds, environment variables, or configuration files stored securely. Pipelines can dynamically switch settings based on the target environment, ensuring consistency and minimizing manual errors during deployment. Tip: highlight knowledge of environment management and secure configuration handling. Question 9. Can you describe a challenging cicd project you managed? Here's how you can answer. In a previous project, I set up a cicd pipeline for a microservices-based application with multiple environments. Coordinating deployments across services while ensuring minimal downtime was challenging. I implemented automated testing, monitoring, and rollback strategies, which allowed smooth deployments and reduced errors. The project improved release efficiency by 40%. Tip: use specific examples demonstrating technical skills, problem-solving, and measurable results. Question 10. Why should we hire you for this cicd position? Here's how you can answer. You should hire me because I bring hands-on experience with cicd tools, strong knowledge of pipeline automation, and expertise in integrating testing and deployment strategies. I am proactive in resolving pipeline issues, ensuring code quality, and improving release efficiency. My focus on continuous improvement and collaboration equips me to contribute effectively to your DevOps team. Tip: summarize skills, experience, and alignment with the organization's DevOps culture confidently. Final thoughts. cicd interviews evaluate a candidate's understanding of automation, pipelines, testing, and deployment strategies, along with problem-solving and collaboration skills. Preparing structured answers and sharing real-world experiences helps candidates demonstrate technical expertise and reliability. Employers value candidates who can implement efficient cicd practices, resolve pipeline issues, and improve software delivery quality while collaborating effectively with development and operations teams. By presenting examples of pipeline setup, testing integration, and deployment management, candidates can make a strong impression. Focusing on automation, monitoring, and continuous improvement ensures that you are seen as a capable cicd professional who can enhance development efficiency, reduce errors, and contribute to overall software quality.